Hello everyone, today I am going to talk about some easy to make soya recipes. So soya is one of the best source of plant-based protein. It's rich in fiber, rich in antioxidants. It also improves our heart health, reduce blood pressure and also helps in weight loss. Let's talk about some of the soya bean derived products. Edamame, soya milk, soya chunks, tofu, tempeh, all these are good source of protein. Let me share some of the easy to make soya recipes for every meal. Number 1 is soya cutlet. Number 2, soya chunks curry. Number 3, air fried soya Manchurian. Number 4, soya poha. Number 5, soya pav bhaji. You can use soya in bhaji. Number 6, air fried crispy edamame. Number 7, soya pulao. Be creative with your food and incorporate protein in every meal. Stay healthy, stay happy.